This video serves as a general guide on assembling your Blix Vika Flex. We recommend consulting a professional mechanic or Blix support to further assist you in the assembly, service, and maintenance of your bike. Say hello to your new Vika Plus. Here we'll show you how to assemble your bike in just a few easy steps. If you'd like written instructions, you can find them on the Blix website at support.blixbike.com. In the packaging, you'll find a parts box that includes the right and left pedals. And finally, a toolkit, which includes 3, 4, 5, and 6 mm Allen wrenches, a dual-ended 8 and 10 mm wrench, and a dual-ended 13 and 15 mm wrench. If your bike was shipped with the battery, the keys will also be included. If not, your battery and keys will arrive separately. To install the handlebars, rotate the handlebar stem upwards and tighten the knob firmly. Insert the upper part of the handlebar stem into the lower handlebar stem of the bike. When the handlebar is in place, you can adjust to your desired height and tighten the quick release clamp as firmly as possible. This will help prevent vibrations in the handlebars while riding. Now the handlebars are ready to go. Next, you will unfold the frame and firmly engage the latch at the center of the frame. Rotate the safety latch to make sure the frame is nice and snug. Before installing the pedals, you want to determine which pedal is the left and which is the right. Check the end of each pedal's axle for an L or R. The right pedal should be installed on the side with the chain and gears. Start by threading each pedal onto the crank arm using your hands. Once they're on, finish tightening the pedals securely using the 15 mm wrench. The left pedal is reverse threaded and tightens in the opposite direction. You can customize the fit of your bike with a few quick and easy adjustments. The seat height can be adjusted by opening the quick release seat post clamp. Find your desired seat height and close the clamp. The seat post has a minimum insert line that is visible on the post. Make sure the seat post is installed far enough into the frame to cover the minimum insert line. The handlebar height can be adjusted by opening the quick release stem clamp. Adjust to your desired height and resecure tightly. Lastly, make sure your tires are inflated to the recommended PSI, which can be found on the side of the tire. Before riding, check that your brakes are adjusted properly. You can do this by checking that the brake levers stop about halfway when depressed. You can find our brake adjustment guide on our channel for more information. Please see the Blix Owner's Manual included with your bike for more detailed information on safe operation and safety checks before your first ride. Consult a professional bike mechanic if you need assistance making these final checks. Now that you're done with assembly, perform any final safety checks before your first ride. Then, get out there and enjoy your new Vika Plus.